Hey everybody, this is Adam from the Backyard Barbecue Boys, showing you guys a little lineup of my grills here. So I got the Weber Performer, that is my rotisserie slash pizza oven only, to my nice and trusted Weber 22 Weber kettle, Master Touch Edition, awesome grill. It's very versatile. To my little awesome 18-inch Weber Smoky Mountain that I got for free, which is pretty cool, and I added wheels on the bottom and it's still super duper sturdy, super sturdy. To my other Weber Performer frame with our cutting boards that we make on it, the Butcher Block. Pretty soon we'll have a website up, thebutcherblock.net. To my I'm not going to open it, but it's my flat top. It's my Next grill. Got for 75 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. What a deal. Thing is mint. To my Pro Series Pit Boss 1150. This thing kicks ass. Fit a 70-pound pig on it. All the way down to my son's little tiny Smoky Joe that I got him for his preschool graduation. He flipped out like it was the best toy he's ever had. All right, and let's not forget our Weber chimney. Awesome. So that's our lineup. I'm going to start making some ribs. I'm going to make some baby back ribs, one set on here, and then one set on this bad boy here. So I'll see you in a bit.